Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Google Chrome onto your Ubuntu operating system and also make it as your default browser. So by default the Mozilla Firefox is installed into your Ubuntu operating system. So just open the Mozilla Firefox and just search for download Google Chrome and just go to this first link from google.com. So here you can see the download Chrome, so just click on that. And since we are installing for Ubuntu, so just choose this .dev and just accept and click install. So once this is done, so this will download the .dev file for installing the Google Chrome. So once this .dev file is downloaded, so just click here to open in the downloads folder. So here you can see the .dev file. So just right click here on this downloads folder. So just right click and open in terminal and just type sudo dpkg -i and just type g and just press on tab. So this will automatically write the whole name of this file and just click enter and enter your password and just click enter. So this will install the Google Chrome onto your Ubuntu operating system. So once this is done, so let me just go into this show application and just search for Google Chrome and just click enter. So here you can see the option to make the Google Chrome as the default browser. So if you want to make it as your default browser, so you can just tick here. So it's by default ticked here, so I don't need to change it anything here since I just want to make it as default browser, and just click on OK. So here you can see the Google Chrome has been opened successfully. So now you can set up your Gmail and enjoy the browsing into your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.